Chris. I keep running into problems with the eBay Partner Network with the way things work. I had generated your code and placed it in the site, and it works. The text code only. Getting it to generate and work with a eBay graphic, which they have available, doesn't work. I've done this numerous times and failed. Um, when I go anywhere on EPN, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's just, oh, well, that came up pretty quick. But they don't have any of the specific information that I need in any of the channels. So if we were to go to tools, I did the link generator, but now we're going to create some, creative. It just hangs there, it takes forever. That's just one of the many problems. I'm sure you've run into it too. So try it again. Nope. All right, let's go to custom banner. That doesn't work either when I go to use it. So not only does it take very long to even get to where I need to go, like here we go, finally. Just here's the program, eBay US, campaign name. I'm going to go with the default campaign. Give it custom ID, just default 01 is fine. Add layout. We want to make an image link. Where I'm going to make a leaderboard, I just want to make the medium rectangle. It's text and image. I add a title looking for used and refurbished electronics. I'm just going to change this to the theme of default blueberry. The colors are perfect. I mean, it doesn't even give me a preview. Look at this. It doesn't work. I don't have to provide any of this search criteria stuff. Just go to popular searches. Best match, doesn't matter. I mean, this stuff here doesn't, and it generates scripts that don't work. I don't know. But this tells me this is, from looking at the code, this tells me actually this is for you to put on your website to look at other, find other people's stores so you can earn the commission that we were talking about here. So it's a twofold issue. The creative generator, not the custom banner, but the creative generator is where we're supposed to be able to just use eBay's pre-made creative banners and whatnot specifically for people to go to your eBay store, which doesn't really matter which one we use. Just as a, here I'll pick this one just as a home and garden thing. I guess this actually is the same thing. It's for you to put on your site for other people's stores. Click on that so you can earn a commission, not your partners like me. I need a link from you to put on my site, but I need a link to go on your site that directs people. And like I said, I already have the text link. Don't need to do that. Already have the text link working without any issues. Pardon my slow internet. I'm in PA right now, and I got slow cable. So anyway, so I just put this, I made this graphic for you. Then I was trying to integrate this link into the graphic. It's taking forever, but it goes to your store. And now all of a sudden it says the store does not exist. I don't know why. Why wouldn't your store exist? So what I did is I went back and I generated the code again, just clean to make sure. Leaving this here. I'm going to put your code in here. Paste it in. I even changed it to the secure, as was recommended in the email that you forwarded to me this morning from support. Excuse me. But I have it at your store, ebay.com, CLR Solutions LLC. Everything is correct. We'll go out and try the page, or try the link rather. Wait, did it not update? There we go. Go down to the link. Okay. See, it just always says, sorry, the store does not exist, and that's part of the problem. Obviously, the second half of the problem is a little more superficial. That's just getting the ad, the picture of the ad, and the link to be one. But if the link isn't working that goes to your store, I don't understand. I mean, we can even change it up here in the address bar. We'll just change it back to HTTP. Same thing. Not really understanding why it's doing this. We'll even shorten it down. Even with it takes your hashtag or underscores come out with their code. It's automatically stripped. I don't have anything to do with that, but we'll try it. No, it doesn't work. So this is the conundrum, and this is where I've been for a couple of weeks. And that's what I kept telling you when I report back in emails that I'm having troubles. I spent numerous hours looking through the support documentation and the chat areas and looking at what people in the community have to say. I've followed everything that everybody has suggested, what I've read, videos that I've watched. It never works. So there is clearly a fundamental issue with eBay. And if I could get a straight answer from them, I'm sure that we could get this resolved. But I can never get a straight answer. As you saw in your email to them this morning, you didn't ask them to help support the build of your website. You merely asked them the exact question that I had posed. So let's see what we can do. I'll keep looking into it and keep trying every solution that I find, and hopefully we can find a resolution to it. I'll talk to you soon.